Okumbireba nekushikibwaho Katabarwa Memorial School, Oxford Convention Center na Weldon School.
Katabarwa Memorial Primary School ni shomero kushangwa Rwampara haruguru kuza Kabale ndi shomero ya primary already erukozireje abana bona bakizira mu grade 1 abana no baryaje nabashoma ekiro omwanya gona gubonire abashomesa bona bar qualified director wario na checking ho buri joba bine sick be umwana wawe yarwara binabasha bar qualified esimuza bazire zona bazine aho kwenda no ugendo karebero murwire. Please, interview from P1 up to P6 is going on. Muzayo mwehandiki Weldon SS ndishomero rukushoma saje muno last year abana ba senior 5 na senior 6 85% bakizira mu grade 1 abana bagira university kandi ishomero ryo mu sports nerya man munonga. Atmosphere is very conducive. Abashomesa aba professional nabo echo director cares muzeyo mwehandikise kurga S1 kika F3 Oxford Conventional hall eji niyo hall so far Western Uganda ebanzeyo estamsa abantu 10 ahansi investment hazayo emotoka 10 aheru hazayo emotoka 200 omunda irimo SC tokpasa kumanya hibwira niba sheshara hatembagezero nezemirembe catering services zona zurumu ebe decoration entebe byona numoko bishanga. Christians, Catholics, Pentecostal churches, Anglican ntuchira obwera kubukika tugira ngo abana mwije tubashabere mugende omusande school mugire ego baze kubegisha okwa abana bakushaba konka ombwiro bwinji ekintu kikushwazana abantu no bagenda baronde sente bombeka iramizo runje munonga basamu bastamagera amachacha gamagaramana za AC hatubire ukikanga umureta abana bashohore abana abo these days especially in kachache zo mtown abana nabargoma juma runje abana nabararaje abana bizo motoka abana amazugabo garara tires abana bastamu munde. Now usanga chachejo tine hokutabana hatabana mubatwara buzo mbato monda yomuti umwana wargo wabo akizuro motoka ati noza kumusha wa mtomo ndechiti ningo ryono mtomo classroom wetamire emire parents mumanyangu emitemito ni chechibira aba mitumito nicho kibira abana bitu tuba planning reje church yona he ereke ngo ya planning abana tureke kubata musedini arumana omutawuni bahise kumyamba mutaro mu class yashanga mire namashaje tinyuti kugiza yanga yagambije ati nyona ntakwasa kuma muchachi niwe dena tinchigaraka kushoma yore noro mwana kumatasa kumta musedini. Churches, please, mumanye Sunday school, mutanke kombeka Sunday schools. Mureke kurayinga amashomero. Mwana mugarayinga fe arokushanga ebina babisibiri. Arokushanga na bebina mbenda kubukozesa. So every church, it's high time we started planning because I'm also part of the planners. Tutanke ku planningira Sunday school. Nabo tubombekiri. Ejikere rye kanisa tutekariya Sunday school. Ejikere rye kerezia Sunday school. Erekere ba Pentecostal whatever Sunday school omuziki tinkwenda kugamba tingumanyoko kubutwaza but I'm sure nababana batekwa kuba mbabegisa samuya okwega kushaba. So to planning abana tureke kutamsa abane dini bamba kura akugira ngo ntubareberera kubihamaramizo bakayika bakajanga azana kwe nkubireba iwe no birebo.
Okumbireba yaba nekushikibwaho Katabarwa Memorial School, Oxford Convention Center hamwe na Weldon School.